Windermere train station. That's the waiting area. Indoor waiting area of Windermere train station. That's the information board. This is the bus that brings you to Kashmir, Ambleside, Rockall, here in Windermere, and Bonis. I went to Bonis with this bus. You pay only one single £3. They don't have the return or all day pass. So if you get in, you pay £3 every time you get in. Windermere train station.